Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to use UCCW or how to, well, just add stuff. So, well, let's get into it. So here, if you open it for the first time, you can see, well, you're gonna see a square. Let me just make it a square. You're gonna see this, I think. And this is just a background. Usually if you wanna set up a UCCW widget with no background, then just press alpha and decrease the opacity to 0. And if you want to add stuff onto it, now I have the battery level from my existing setup just now, and let me just unselect this. Right, so if you want to add stuff, and I recommend if you put a time widget or a date widget or a battery widget, make it separate widgets. Don't put the time and the battery in the same widget, because it's gonna get messy, and well, it's gonna get really stupid. Because if you set it up, then if you want to have it in according to like a line, it probably won't even fit. Maybe the battery will fit, but then the time will be somewhere else. So I recommend just putting them separate. And here you can choose all these different things like time, and you can either set a preset time like the hour, the minute, like hour, colon, and minute, or you can, I don't know, have everything customized yourself, like the hour maybe bigger, the colon like separate, and the minute maybe different color. But I usually always choose time because I don't like the hour to look different than the minute. Then you can choose the date. You can have an analog clock, which is this. It's a an analog clock. And you can have static text, which is basically just a custom text. You can just type anything you want. I usually use static text for, let's say, if I have a notification UCCW widget, then let's say it's messages, then I have the unread count, which is, let's say, 3, and then I just put a static text as saying new, so I have 3 new or 3 new messages, something like that. So battery level is the percentage of your battery. Status is whether it's charged or uncharging or needs to be charged. And the battery bar is, you can select either a bar, and either a bar or a circle. Well, they're pretty useful at times. Then you can enter your location. This is good for weather. So, well, I mean, it's not good for you because you obviously know where you are, but it's good if you have setups and you want to share your location. It's not going to share the exact GPS coordinates. It's just going to, like, let's say, because I live in Kuala Lumpur, so it's just going to say Kuala Lumpur. And you can enter the current temperature, current condition, humidity, wind condition, everything with weather. Then you can add shapes: triangles, circles, squares, oval stuff, and you can embed images you would like to have in your home screen. And your Gmail account, you can select from which label to choose from, either inbox or sent or drafts or whatever. I obviously use it for inbox. Then missed calls, text messages, and the next alarm time. Missed calls and text messages are for unread counts. I use those. Next alarm time, it just displays you when the next alarm is. Then the calendar event or calendar time. And then you have a series clock, hour series, minute series, AM PM series, and all these kind of series. So let's just choose a series clock. Close. And as you can see here, wait, let me just increase the background. Then you can see, as you can see here, maybe No. Okay, yeah, you get the hang of it. It's just a series. It's like a circle kind of thing. And if you want to, let's say you have your thing set up. If you want to use it or share it or just save it, just go here and save skin and just give it a name. Just give it battery E, and then just press back here, and then you have it saved. And you can also export them as APK for the Play Store or anything else. So since I edited my existing thing, it replaced it. But if you want to edit, just long press your home screen, widgets, UCCW, and just choose any size. I'm just going to choose this, and then you can choose from your existing ones. So I'm just going to choose that, touch here, and it's there. Now you can resize it however you want, bigger or smaller, or yeah, just experiment around. So I think that's it. Alright, see you.